The headlines. Re-poll held at 34 polling stations peacefully. 89 turnout recorded. And speculation are rife on number of seats Congress and BJP may win, which party will form next government, and so on. Welcome to the ISTV News, and less of the news in details. Re-poll was held at 34 polling stations where there were some anomalies in the first phase poll. The chief electoral official of Manipur has confirmed 89% turnout in the first phase re-poll today. The re-poll was held at 5 polling stations in Andhra Assembly constituency, 1 in Uripok, 12 in Saikul, 3 in Saitu, 6 in Thalon, 5 in Hanglep, 1 in Saikot, and 1 in Singhat. Heavy security arrangement was made at the said polling station for smooth conduct of the polling. On the other hand, re-poll for 43 by 51 polling station for Phungyar Assembly constituency has been scheduled to be held on March 10. Polling at the said station was not held yesterday in the second phase due to the bomb blast that occurred ahead of the polling. One election agent was killed in the blast. As the second phase poll and re-poll of the first phase have concluded today, opinions and speculation are rife with regards to the questions which party will form the next government and who will be the next chief minister. However, the two rival major political parties, namely Congress and BJP, have already started claiming that they will form the next government. According to a prominent leaders of Congress party who requested anonymity, said Congress will form the next government by getting absolute majority by winning 35 to 40 seats in the elections to the 11 Manipur Legislative Assembly. He further said in Thawal district, the party will get 10 out of 10 seats, 6 out of 6 in Bishnupur, 4 in Churachandpur, 1 in Chandel, 1 in Ukhrul, 1 in Senapati, 2 in Sadar Hills, Kangpokpi, 1 in Tamenglong. Moreover, he also said the party will win 8 out of 13 seats in Imphal West District and 7 out of 10 seats in Imphal District. Altogether, 41 seats will be won by Congress, the leaders added. Out of these 41 seats, the party leaders did not count constituencies like Singjamai, Uripok, Mayang Imphal, and Langtabal in their winning list. On the other hand, one of the senior leaders of BJP said BJP will get at least 31 seats, the number which can stack claim for forming government. He contended that BJP will get 18 to 20 seats in the valley, which has a total of 40 seats. However, in the hill, the party will get at least 13 out of 20 seats in the hill constituencies. Taking into consideration all possibilities and speculations, it may be self-expected that Congress may win more seats than the BJP. Whether the number of seats Congress wins would be enough to form the next government or not remains to be seen in the next 2 or 3 days. Meanwhile, there are a lot of figures of so-called exit polls in the social media spreading around and raising the question of formation of government by either BJP or Congress. In a post-poll incident of confrontation that occurred at Khangabok Part 3 Makhalaikai, some people suspected to be workers of BJP alleged set on fire that commandos resorted to firing tear gas shell. Residents of the area alleged that the police commandos fired gunshots and damaged household furniture in about 8 houses. The residents of the locality strongly condemned the act of police personnel. In connection with the incident, a public meeting was held in the locality today. One of the women participants at the meeting said the report that the house was set on fire is incorrect. In fact, a hut far away from the house was on fire, not the house. Residents of the area even tried to put out the flames to save the hut. Police personnel came to the spot around 10 p.m. and opened fire in the residential area, damaged properties of several houses, and even took away household belongings. A Maruti van parked in front of one of the houses was also damaged in the police action. The women residents complained. One of the male residents of the area also condemned the act of police damaging properties of the houses located in a row. He said, it is very unfortunate that police who are supposed to protect the people are taking side of the stronger people without considering the interests of the weaker section. He drew attention of the DC and the SP of Thawal district to look into the matter at the earliest.
Makoina madugi asingba khangdana ekta force thajilalaga yumda thugaiba mayambu ngak senbiu haina thamliba force हाइबदी पुलिस कमांडो सिंगना मथों मरम खंगदना सुमरान खंगदना मी जुमदा थुगाइबा अदगी फूबा का अदगी लवर बुलेट कप्सिन बसे अखोई कंडेम तवी
Vice President of BJP Manipur Pradesh M. Asni Kumar has asked Chief Minister Okam Ibobi to clarify to the people regarding his public statement that the election to the 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly is a referendum. The BJP Vice President said this while addressing a press conference at the office of BJP today. He said the Chief Minister's statement is false.
Democracy Makada Leba, Rumasahi Manga, people representative Kamba, democratic government. Kanda never give the people right to referendum and have say is very unfortunate. Referendum meaning have a social Chief Minister Munda Kanda Male. And the election is a Congress Party referendum Nate. Masidi democratic exercise of money, step Kudimaka Pantopa, Prazaga single mandate Lonaba, Prazana Prazan Kanjanaba, Adumani. So now Tanglaba, Maruaraba, people give positive Kanabas election is a man of Mokria on Topa Amade, my Congress Party, Aduma referendum on Logosi Lale.
Some shopkeepers in the state are selling farm chicken eggs that are brought from outside after it is dipped in tea and katha liquid to make it look like local eggs and sell them at higher rates. These eggs are being sold in impulse market and available even in big shops. These eggs are being sold at 10 rupees per egg. It is not yet known if the shop owners are selling this egg knowingly or not. In any case, the shop owners are selling those eggs and fooling the buyers. There is no difference between the inside of the said eggs and the local Meitei eggs. Nevertheless, the officials of the department concerned have not taken any step to look into the matter. Different sections of the society have demanded immediate action to book the involved persons. An Assam Rifle ex-serviceman meet organized by 6 Assam Rifle of 9 Sector, Idgar South, was held at Kanchipur. The difficulties faced by the ex-servicemen in Imphal East District were discussed at the meeting. A 3-day training program for the functionaries of Juvenile Justice Act 2016 and Model Rules 2016 has got underway at the auditorium of Manipur High Court from today. The training program is jointly organized by Manipur State Legal Service Authority and Department of Social Welfare. Judge of Manipur High Court Justice N. Kotesho, Principal Secretary of Department J. Ram Thanga, Chairpersons of MSCP-CR S. Sarat Kumar and many others attended the inaugural function of the training program. Speaking on the occasion, Justice N. Koteshwar said, knowing the act will be beneficial to everyone. Principal Secretary of J. Ram said, the children at the juvenile home are now able to have a better life. He sought cooperation from all concerned authorities in trying to make the children qualified persons in the future.
Whatever may be the act, whatever may be the rules, it is always the actions of the executive, of the functionaries who are executing them that are important. I would appeal to all of you to use the act as an instrument of rehabilitation and the formation of those children, destitute children, orphans, juveniles.
Nephrology and Medicine Department RIMS organized a free medical camp at RIMS in connection to World Kidney Day. On the other hand, with the help of State Blood Sale and IHBT RIMS organized free blood donation camp as part of World Kidney Day celebration. Head of Nephrology Department RIMS Naram Sarat Kumar said, if a person is found to have kidney disorder, the person should seek medical treatment at the earliest.
Koigi Prithibi Pumbada World Kidney Day, Prithibi Kidney Numidana Palontoi. Masi sahi kudingi Mars ki ani suba sagol senda palon tawi handak ki sahi kudingi akoi theme mamam puthok sei adu handak ki sahi asidana obesity and kidney disease haibadi hakchang noibaga kidney ga leinaba maridugi matang dani hakchang noiba singsi akoi kidney nagali aduna atopa leina kidney nataba diabetes metabolic syndrome na singbasu anoiba mioi da kya hena nagali ana koina anoiba mi singsi gi moi yengaga koi ngasigi kembasi pangthok sabani.
Free dialysis was provided to the kidney patients as part of the World Kidney Day celebration by Sky Hospital at Rims Road. Sky Hospital has been providing free dialysis to the patients every Thursday. Managing Director of Sky Hospital, Dr. Sam Kishore said, To prevent from kidney disease, regular exercises should be performed. Diabetes and hypertension should be treated on a timely basis.
By giving free dialysis session, completely free, including consumables. And we are happy that others have come forward to contribute towards providing the consumables, like say Shamraz group, and they have provided to some extent to us the free dialysis session today.
Commemoration of Chingu Maicho Ipu Teret organized by Ipu Teret Thogal Loop, Wangu Maning Sabal was held at Wangu Maning Sabal Awang Lekai in Kumbi Assembly constituency. A large number of devotees from various places came and attended the commemoration. Those who attended the commemoration paid floral tribute to the photograph of 7 Ipus. Speaking on the occasion, President of Branch Office of Umang Lai Kanbalup Ukal, Hais Biramangol Maite said, "It is very important to learn the characteristic and journey of the 7 Ipus."
Pangthoiba ekhoi ibudau taret ki thauramasi haukiba chahi mangjorona yam khraba matamdagi maitai singji muthraga lakhiba maitai singji muthraga lakhiba digi maicham taret na ibudau taret sina thambirami ba khongchat li chat punamak singsi lamdam sida leiriba hawalali ba naharon sing ima ibin sing si chal satra naharon kayamuk sina ibudau taret ki wakalon si hanjalakpa ngamani habagi thajabatu akoi punamakna tahong na bakhangau na bagi dang tengasi ki tharamasi pangthok jaman.
5 teams of volunteers of DESAM inspected 9 centers of class 10 and 12 examination conducted by CBSE that commenced today. No use of unfair means and activities against guidelines were seen at the 9 centers. DESAM has praised the officials of the examination at the set centers for conducting the examination smoothly. The teams will continue its inspection and rest of the papers, it is reported. The commencement function of the 3rd base of Surya Mitra course of National Institute of Electronic and Information Technology was held at Institute at Akampa today. SIO of NIC Imphal, K.S. Rosen, Executive Director of the Institute T.S. Prameshwar, Additional Director T. Gunachandra, and Channel Partner of Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, S.S. Radhakrishna, were the main guests at the function. Speaking on the occasion, Executive Director T.S. Prameshwar said, "The Institute is giving the student the benefit of having the STET course free of cost, considering the importance of solar energy in modern society. Manipur has been able to produce 35 kilowatt of solar power, while the STET aims at producing at least 35 megawatt by March 31 this year," the Executive Director added.
Discipline society and production, the discipline citizen of you need to start, and I hope you will start a career out of this children.
The Manipur Labour Union has demanded increase of the number of MPs in the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha to 10 and 4 respectively. This was mentioned in a press release issued by Chairman of Union O. Pradeep Kumar. He said there are 60 MLAs in the Manipur Legislative Assembly, 2 MPs in Lok Sabha and 1 in Rajya Sabha. There are 32 assembly segments in the Inner Manipur Parliamentary Constituency and 28 in Outer Parliamentary Constituency with 3 MPs. The Union will urge the Government of India to increase the number of MPs by allocating 1 MP to every 6 assembly segments of Manipur, the chairman added. In national news, a day after a suspected ISIS terrorist was gunned down in Uttar Pradesh, the Congress party, while raising question on the center's security arrangement in the country, questioned as to why the terrorist was not captured alive. Congress leader Tom Vadakan said he should have been captured alive, and then he could have been interrogated and his link could have been established, which is one of the primary issues. Vadakan also lashed out at Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan, asking us from where he got such elaborated details about the terrorists, and even taunted the latter to resign from his post to join intelligence agencies if he can handle such crucial issues alone without even consulting the Prime Minister. Earlier, after successfully gunning down ISIS terror-accused Saifullah, Additional Director General of the Uttar Police ADG UP, Daljit Chaudhary said, the youth was self-radicalized and was influenced by literature. He said they tried to convince him to come out, but he kept firing back and died in an exchange of fire between him and the police. Meanwhile, the family members of the alleged ISIS terrorist killed in Lucknow had refused to accept his voice, saying a traitor is no son of theirs. The headlines once again. Re-poll held at 34 polling stations peacefully, 89% turnout recorded. Speculation arrived on number of seats Congress and BJP may win. This party will form next government and so on. That's all for today and thank you for watching.